Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Samalu testile yangi chala copy chu. Ani number sugi thamnya tani hago sangira. Ani tango wachita number sugi indung rusi nara. Ani ngaron sugi prime minister. Ani sikyong pemba siring chu. Ani myoshi jana chipki nang sari. Ani diring to chashana. Ani 24 January gyagar gachi tishin. Ani Republic Day imbasung sara. Ani as a chief guest. Ani pasal lara. Ani function sugore ondila. Ani ngaron sugi. Ani sikyong pe resha ra. 아니 그래 돈을 주세요리 넘버 소스로나 언제라 아니 펑션 차오당라 아니 당가랑 수기 아니 김 아니 nga요리 영아 좀 몇시절라 김 nga요리 엔 김 nga기 아니 초강 레레라 아니 시경 초기 아니 세고 페리시라 온디 넘버 술라 아니 닌딩딩 주고 안 담아 버드 쉬로나
पेमा सिरिंग जी एंड इन दस मैं पूरे मियावासियों की ओर से हम सब के बीच पहुंचे डिविडेंड प्रेसिडेंट हिज एक्सेलेंसी पेमा सिरिंग जी को मैं हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन देना चाहूँ। At the right, I would like to welcome ADC Miao. जैसे फ्लैग होस्ट करेंगे मैं जितने भी दर्शक हैं सभी से अनुरोध करता हूँ सब लोग खड़े हो।
आपका निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान। तो विसर्जन के लिए आगे प्रदान कर श्रीमान।
We have contingent from CM3 UPS Town Girls. Please state that it is Miao. The occasion for 2006 to the public expecting the platoon परेड के निरीक्षण करते हुए डीसी म्याओ आज के मुख्य अतिथि म्याओ जनरल लॉ on the occasion of the 76th Republic Day celebration. The Republic Day celebration. बाहर होते चालू कर led by the Sergeant Commander Baharuddin Sabittar.
Up next we have NSS from JSS Mill, led by Sergeant Commander Ihad Kushikumiyan.
The third contingent, that is the students from Laruga Boys School, led by the Sergeant Commander Viwas Das. मंच को सलामी देते हुए मंच के सामने से गुजरते हुए
फिर है हमारा NCC JSS Mill Girls, Sergeant Commander is Nalini Deepak.
मंच के सामने से गुजरते हुए लारुगा बोys स्कूल गर्ल्स कंटिजेंट led by Sergeant Commander Bangsa.
Up next we have students from Upper Primary School Mill, Sergeant Commander Round. And then we have students from Government Upper Primary School Mill Singpo and students from Primary School Mill.
The next, the eighth member of the contingent from the Government of Primary School Miao, led by the Platoon Commander Bangsa, giving salute to the guests.
And then we have the students from Government Upper Primary School Mill Singpo, the Platoon Commander Ms. Fengon Bongsu.
And the final contingent, मंच के सामने गुजरते हुए अतिथि को सैल्यूट देते हुए the students from Upper Primary School Miao, led by the Platoon Commander Ms. Nonghun Pangtham. ताल मिलाते हुए कदम से कदम मिलाते हुए मंच के सामने 10 मार्चिंग कंटीजेंट ने मंच को सलामी देते हुए
Amidst this, Sri Peppa Seringji to give away the felicitation of the awardees. Here, that is the Mother's Kitchen Unit Award, a scheme that is related to promoting of catering units being managed by different assets. The next call, Sun Myung Ray Mothers Unit of Nerong Village received the award. It is a privilege to receive the award. Fourth we have Sansum Mothers Kitchen Unit of Jubilee Village, Khasan Jubilee Village. They are here. Sansum Mothers Kitchen Unit of Khasan Jubilee Village. And now I would like to request our guest, His Excellency Peppa Seringji to open the apron. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being amidst us on the stage guests and taking part in Republic Day celebration. His Excellency Peppa Seringji. The next, we have a presentation of commendation certificates. I would like to
Number box, title box, and title results. यहाँ balance, display, awareness for the youth, for the people, the conservation of the nature, and human activity. They have the awareness among the people.
Good morning, sir.
So I would like to explain you about the activities that we are doing in the poor male digrosperma, and this is male digrosperma that we can identify looking at the paired shape. So now we have camera traps, so camera trap photos are there. Then sir, we have put some specimens for students and to aware the general public also. These are the eggs of python, snakes, eggs of other snakes. This is Naja Kotia, called as monocelate cobra, which is a venomous snake. Often it is found in Miao and most part of Arunachal Pradesh. This is non-venomous, but this is very significant because the name.
उसके बाद by all government rules, parents are done by Central Council, People Council, Member Council.
आप सबको एम्पावर कर रहे हैं। हमको मूव करना पड़ेगा इधर।
अपना ये स्पीड का ऊपर है सर, कोई कोई तो सप्ताह में, कोई कोई तो 10 दिन में ऐसे चार पाँच ये 2000 है सर। ये सब तो 15 अलग अलग कैसे है सर। ये तो सिर्फ डांस करते समय पे ऐसे फ्री में नहीं देते इसको।
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ Company, DJ,